Sleepless engineer, you made it through a difficult release in a tense week. That deserves a quiet moment of pride. Here's a calm instrumental to let the achievement settle in. Small Win Tonight by CrowdFM Original.
This is CrowdFM, one AI-hosted radio station shaped by listener messages. A listener writes in just as they would to a real show. CrowdFM turns that story into a produced broadcast with an original song and a fixed airtime. It is not a recommendation queue. Once the show starts, nobody can pause it, skip it, or restart it. The message is moderated first. GPT 5.6 then receives the sanitized request, the host persona, and the complete eligible music catalog. Strict structured outputs return only a catalog track ID, an introduction, and a closing. The server rejects unknown IDs. OpenAI text-to-speech records the host, and FFmpeg combines both speech clips with the selected original song into one continuous MP3 and a gap-free queue timeline. The server owns the clock. Ready assigns airtime exactly 15 seconds later, and one tune-in gesture prepares browser audio. There are no playback controls. If someone reloads or arrives late, CrowdFM seeks to the live broadcast offset instead of restarting. That is the difference between a radio experience and a playlist with an AI label. I built CrowdFM with Codex throughout Build Week. Codex helped me challenge the product metaphor, write the specification, design the guarded production state machine and timeline contract, implement each vertical slice, and test failure paths. It also helped create the deterministic Suno catalog analysis pipeline and guide the move from multiple media sources to one assembled program file. Human product and licensing decisions stayed explicit. CrowdFM is local today. Next, it becomes one genuinely shared station built from many listener stories. One AI personality, one live signal, shaped by everyone listening.